Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Rachel Ann Ordonez Granadozo, 30 years old, single mom with one son. I live in Santo Tomas, Alicia, Isabela, Philippines. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am 4th child of the family. I am college level, took the Bachelor of Human Resource Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work here in the Philippines, sir, as a housemaid for 5 years, since January 2019 to January 2024. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children, 3 and 1 years old. My main duties are taking good care of the children, doing laundry, cooking dishes, and maintaining cleanliness of the house.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
Check the temperature, sir, and report to the employer that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, sir, honest, and responsible.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to help my family, sir, especially their financial needs.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your child?
My mother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work, sir, and remind myself I need this job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Usually, sir, I sleep at night, 10 p.m., and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so far active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer, sir, when dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I am willing to extend as long as they need me.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. For example, the wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.